Now let us discuss the 133 question. An alkane on ozenolysis gives methanol as one of the product. Its structure is okay. First of all, now let us try to write the structure of ethanol. Ethanol means bond C double bond O bond hydrogen. Here they are asking that among the four options, which compound on ozenolysis gives the methanol as one of the product. Here I am explaining simple trick for ozenolysis on alkene, that move the double bond and add oxygen on both sides. Then it becomes bond C double bond O bond oxygen plus C double bond O bond hydrogen bond CH3. You simply remove the double bond and to add oxygens on both sides. It will become this one. This is hexanaldehyde and this is 1, 2. This is an ethanol. Okay. Methanol is not produced by ozenolysis of first compound. Now let us verify the third option. Here bond CH2 bond CH double bond CH2. You can simply remove the double bond and add oxygens on both sides. You will get CH2 bond C double bond O bond hydrogen plus here hydrogen bond C double bond O bond H. Here this product is called the methanol. So compound 3 produces the methanol on ozenolysis. So our answer is 3 is our correct answer. Remaining two options, verify the remaining two options what products are produced.